Huda Chaudry, proposal manager with Global Renewable Energy, and I have a bachelor's in electrical and computer engineering. I couldn't really decide on a major. Decided, what are my values? What am I looking for out of a career? And I realized that I could kind of find that in engineering. Working with a great company and being able to essentially, as cliche as it sounds, change the world. My parents are from Pakistan. My dad moved here to do his PhD at Wayne State University. We traveled back and forth during our childhood almost every 2 or 3 years. So it was really interesting to kind of see the different dynamics of, growing up in a first world country and then going back to a developing country. It's crazy how your standard of living can be completely changed from just some power. I actually started off in power delivery. I got hired in just as an electrical engineer, and then did a mini rotation where I went to telecom to work. That's around the time I got into the EDGE program and started looking into a field assignment. I think I got a lot of warning beforehand that it is a very different environment, but it's something that I actually ended up loving. It's very fast-paced. So while I was out in the field, I was given an introduction to another professional who was in proposals. I didn't realize it, but she realized that this might be an opportunity where I can utilize my strengths and learn a lot. Going from, day-to-day putting out fires in the construction world, it's a little difficult to adjust back to the office environment. But the great thing about it is that you are encouraged to be a little creative, come up with a strategy, look into what the client's looking for. Another reason why I joined Black Veatch is that I noticed they are highly involved with Engineers Without Borders. That has been a huge passion of mine, is being able to use our skills as engineers growing in infrastructure in developing countries. One thing I was really excited about with Black Veatch is that we are a global company. We have projects all over the world. Whether I stay in power or move on to a different business line, there's just constant learning opportunities and ways to challenge myself. I definitely see myself at Black Veatch for a long time because I feel like the learning opportunities are endless. Get into the EDGE program because it's a safe space to figure out what you want to do. It's not just a destination, it's a journey.